We're gonna start from the middle of the dance floor, standing side by side. We are holding hands and waiting for the music to start. Once it does, we are skipping the first beat, but on the count of 2, we're moving forward, taking a step with our right legs forward. 2, 3, 4. Now, lady's left leg is going to cross behind the right leg, and we're gonna go into a bow to welcome our guests. Men's feet are together, and we're bowing lightly at the same time as our partner. This is our 5, 6, and now we're going into the lady's spin toward the partner, starting with the left step, followed by small stationary steps while spinning. Step, spin, spin, and finish in front of your partner. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop in front of your partner, and in here we're gonna go straight into the frame. But before that, man is leading the lady into the spin. We're gently pulling toward ourselves and then drawing a small circle in the air with the palm of our hand. First you're pulling, then twisting, letting go with the hand, but going into the frame instantly. Remember to generate a bit of tension in your frame, because it might happen that the partner will use it to stop the spin. So be ready for this if it's necessary. So ladies are taking 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're in the frame.